Right, this tutorial is all about solving two-step inequalities. All right, so your steps look exactly the same as anything else. So you start on the side with the variable. 2, you need to add or subtract on both sides first. 3, multiply or divide on both sides second, because remember, you are undoing the order of operations, so you have to do it backwards. Remember to follow integer rules, and you need to pay attention and watch when you need to flip the sign. Okay, so first example, 5x minus 13 is greater than 32. Start on the side that has your variable, and I'm going to add, because you want to do the opposite, add 13 to both sides. Those cancel, so I'm left with 5x. Bring down my symbol, and then I'm going to add those together, and I'm going to get 45. Next, since I'm multiplying, opposite would be to divide. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. Those cancel. And then 45 divided by 5 is 9. So my solution is x is greater than 9. So graphing, excuse me, show your 0, show your 9. Greater than 9, so I leave it open and I shade to the right. All right, our next example. We have negative 4x plus 9 is less than or equal to negative 7. So starting on the side with my variable, I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides, undoing my order of operations. I'm left with negative 4x less than or equal to, and then following integer rules, I'm going to add the opposite. So negative 7 plus negative 9 is use same sign, find the sum. They are both negative, so it stays negative. Then divide by negative 4, take that negative with it. Divide by negative 4 on both sides. Divided by a negative, so I got to flip this guy the other way. And then negative 16 divided by negative 4 gives me a positive 4. And graphing, show me 0, show me 4. Greater than or equal to, so it's filled in because it can be that value, and then all those values greater. All right, 10 plus x divided by 9, negative 9, is greater than 12. So again, start on the side with the variable. Going to take care of that 10 first. 10 is positive. So in order to make this 0, I need to subtract 10. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So that's no longer there. I am left with x over negative 9 is greater than 2. Since I'm dividing by a negative 9, then I need to multiply by negative 9 on both sides. Those cancel. I'm left with x. I divided by a negative, multiplied by a negative. So I will flip the sign to go the opposite direction. 2 times negative 9 gives me negative 18. And to graph, I'll show you 0, negative 18, less than negative 18. So leave it open, doesn't include that value, and shade it so you show those values less than negative 18. All right, last one. Negative 2x plus 3.5 is greater than or equal to 7.5. Okay, again, start on the side with your variable. I will subtract 3.5, do the opposite. Subtract 3.5 on both sides. So I'm left with negative 2x greater than or equal to, and I'm going to subtract this out, and I'm going to get 0 and 4. Okay, I can even leave that 0.0 off. Divide by negative 2 on both sides. Since I divided by a negative, I got to flip this guy to go the other direction. 4 divided by negative 2 gives me negative 2. And then 0, negative 2, less than or equal to, so filled in, and go to the left. I hope this helps you.